Can I bring a diminished value claim when there was no police report? Yes. In North Carolina, a police report can be helpful, but it is not required for every diminished value claim. You still need to prove the other driver was at fault, that your vehicle was damaged and repaired, and that the vehicle is now worth less because of the crash history. A diminished value claim is separate from the repair claim. Repairs pay to fix the physical damage. Diminished value focuses on the remaining loss in fair market value after the repairs are complete. Without a police report, documentation becomes more important. Keep the note left by the other driver, photos of the damage and parking area, messages, claim letters, insurance information, repair estimates, final invoices, parts records, calibration records, and any photos showing the vehicle's condition before the collision. You may also need a reliable diminished value appraisal or other market evidence showing that similar vehicles with no accident history are worth more. The insurer may ask whether the damage was pre-existing, whether the repair fully solved the issue, or whether the damage pattern matches the reported contact. That does not end the claim. It just means your evidence needs to clearly connect the crash, the repairs, and the loss in value.